Tired of spending big on trendy Amazon gadgets? You're not alone. Many viral items look cool, but they come with a high price tag. Luckily, you can recreate the same results at home, for a fraction of the cost. Let's start with a rotating makeup organizer. Instead of paying $30, use stacked plastic containers or Lazy Susan trays from the dollar store. Same function, way less cost. Need a cable management solution? Binder clips and Velcro strips keep cords neat and untangled, without spending a cent. Clip them to your desk or wall edge and boom, no more cable chaos. What about the self-draining soap dish? Cut slits into a silicone mat or repurpose a plastic tray with holes. Water drains, soap stays dry, and your wallet stays happy. Declutter drawers with custom organizers. Use old cardboard boxes or cut foam board to size. Tailor it to your needs and keep everything in its place, for $0. Want your room to smell amazing like those diffuser gadgets? Drop essential oils on cotton pads and tuck them into decorative jars. Instant freshness, no electronics or expensive pods required. Why overspend on gadgets when DIY gives you the same wow factor for less? Smart, stylish, and seriously affordable, these hacks prove you don't need to buy viral to live like it. Try one today and see the difference for yourself. Like and subscribe for more creative, cost-saving home hacks.